参ります。危ないですから。
Lately, I've been learning to keep things simple. To not overthink the small things and let them unfold the way they're meant to. Cooking helps me do that. The sound of boiling water, the rhythm of stirring. It's a reminder that even small moments can be fulfilling. Zaru Soba starts with heat and ends in calm. That shift from effort to ease always slows me down. It's like washing the noise off the day. I think that's why I love simple food and the simple things in life actually. It doesn't ask for much, just attention and care. Even small steps become its own kind of meditation. You grate, you slice, you breathe. It's funny how peace shows up when you stop trying to chase it. Nothing extra, nothing forced. Just simplicity. Even this part, just cutting scallions, feels like it's enough. Simplicity isn't empty, it's clarity. You notice the details again, the shine of the noodles, the taste of the wasabi, and the quiet of the room. Maybe that's what I love most about moments like this. They don't try to be anything more. Just a quiet afternoon with a meal that feels honest. This is a friendly reminder to let things be.